Today I'm going to be sketching the Luneta CMP or condition monitoring pod. The CMP was designed to allow a single oil level port on a gearbox to accommodate multiple condition monitoring tools such as a sampling valve and a sight glass. The basic idea with the CMP was that because there are so many different port sizes, we were going to have a sight glass and body assembly that would stay the same for the various port sizes, but a threaded reducer would be the one piece that we would change out. So you see me here sketching out the basic shapes, and I'm going to start working on the threaded reducer and pilot tube. The threaded reducer is that portion right there, and that's the part that actually mates up with the gearbox, and snaked through that is the pilot tube. So the pilot tube actually goes into the gearbox and is dropped down into the oil for live zone sampling, and connected to that pilot tube is a sampling valve, and that sampling valve you see me working on right there at the top. And so you pull a sample from there and it pulls it from the live zone through the pilot tube. And there is the CMP body. The body is a coupling element that joins the sight glass to the threaded reducer. And then next I'm working on the lock nut. The lock nut is an element that allows us to rotate the sight glass. Now, rotating the sight glass is really unique, and it's important because there are condition monitoring tools suspended in the oil inside the sight glass, and you could actually rotate these out of the oil. Remember, this is an oil level sight glass, and so if the oil is very opaque, you can rotate the sight glass to get a better view of what's going on with the magnet or the corrosion indicator. So there I just finished up the magnet and the steel indicator, and there's the sight glass, and the sight glass actually has a flange with an O-ring groove that's inside the lock nut, and that's how it's actually able to rotate and still remain a constant seal. And there I am adding a bit of color, and that's it. That's the Luneta CMP. So thank you for watching.